Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I'm a scientist. I also study nutrition, and I did a lot of work in the pharmaceutical and biotech industry. I know there's a lot of weight loss products out there that require a prescription, and I know some people really need those. I also know there's a lot of things that help with insulin levels and diabetes, and I wanted to work on a natural formula that could be used either before or after a prescription product or in place of it. I'm not against prescription medication. However, some of it used long-term can have side effects. I wanted a natural transition and a product that could really support overall maintenance of weight and metabolism. This product was a product that I worked on for over a year, and I'm excited to bring this to everyone so that you can support your body and you can support your health. I think everyone's beautiful. I don't think everyone needs to weigh 120 pounds or 200 pounds or whatever the weight is that people think people should weigh. I just think you need to be at your healthiest weight so that your health and your overall well-being are really great and amazing. I want everyone to live the best life possible, and I hope this product helps along your journey.